viewers, welcome to Rubik's Technique. Myself Abhav. Today I am going to tell you how to solve 4x4 Rubik's Cube. I hope you like it. Watch my previous videos and this video till end. Please like, share and subscribe. Before getting started, I will tell you some basic notations about the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. You might be knowing these notations: U, U prime, and this R, R prime, F, F prime, B and B prime. But there are some advanced notations about this cube. These are the TU, means when we move two layers from the upper side we say TU, and when we move them inwards they are called as TU prime or TUI. When we move TR, that is when we move two layers from right, they are known as TR, and when we move them inwards or we say prime or I. When we move the from left side we say TL, and when we move them inwards they are called as TL prime, but there are some different notations also. This is known as MU. When we move this layer, this is known as MU, and when we move it inwards or backwards, that is called as MU prime, and when we move this layer, that is called as MR, and when we move that inwards, that is called as MR prime. So let's get our cube scrambled. So we have got our cube scrambled. Our first step is to match these center pieces of all facets. Our second step is to pair these edges of all colors. While we get these center pieces and edge pieces directly in the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, when we solve the both of them, we get, means the center pieces and edge pieces, our cube looks like this. So let's get started. Now what we have to do is find the white center pieces. Oh, this is the first one. We have to keep it on the upper left side and find the other. So this is the center piece. This we also have to keep it on the upper left side, and we have to match them in a line like this and apply this algorithm TR, U and TR prime. So we get the line without disturbing any of the faces. Now we have not solved, but when we solve we have to apply this. So we have to make a center roughly, a first center roughly, so that we will make a center in a systematic way. Now we have to keep this like this, keep it like this, two pieces on the left side and one piece on the upper right side, and we have to keep this on the upper left side and apply the same algorithm TR, U and TR prime. We get the center done. Now like this we have to match the other centers. Now opposite to white is yellow, so we will yellow. Now we will solve the yellow center. To keep this on the upper left side and this also on the upper left side. There are two cases in this matching when we match the centers. Either we get on the this sides or we get on the back side. Now apply the same algorithm here. When we move this layer R or L or the outer layers, we don't damage any of the center pieces. When we move two layers at a time, we damage the center pieces. We have to apply the same algorithm here, keeping them on the upper left side and keeping them on the left side. By this way, we do not have to do the double work again and again. Same here, we have to keep this on the upper left side and apply the same algorithm. And the opposite to orange is the red color. So we will take this red to its original position and the same method. Now this is the second case where we get two colors which are opposite to each other. We have to do is take this two times and rotate it once and take it back. So we get 3 center pieces. And we have to make the fourth one. We have to keep it on the upper left side again. We have to rotate this like this. We have to rotate it like this. Back B and rotate this 2 times. So our center pieces are solved. Now we have to pair these edges. So let's start with our step 2, which is pairing our edge pieces like this. The green and white pieces are paired. Now let's start. We have to find the 2 pieces which we have to pair. The red and white, and the other is this one. So we have to bring it near it. Bring this piece near it. Now what we have to do is bring this piece in front of each other. Such as this piece we have to bring here, and we take it down like this, and they come here. Okay, and we have to apply this algorithm. TU prime R F prime U R prime F and TU. We have matched without disturbing any other matched pieces. So we have to apply this algorithm for all. Now these 2 are already in front of each other. Now these 2, they're blue and white and orange and green. Now these 2 are already in front of them. So we'll apply the algorithm. TU prime R F prime U R prime F TU. So we have matched our 2 of them. So wasn't that easy? Now we will do the same for all pieces. Here we have to find the piece. These 2 are there. These 2 are there. So we bring them and apply the algorithm. TU prime R F prime U R prime F and TU. So we match our edges like this. Now you have to learn this algorithm by heart. Not by algorithm, but you have to remember this step. We have to match these 2, you have to apply this step. You have to learn that way. Yeah, applied the algorithm and these 2 get matched. The other 2 in this position, they also get matched, but they are wrong. We have to correct them afterwards. So don't worry about them. If you keep the pieces like this, which are in this position, if you apply this algorithm, you will also get the same. You get there, instead of here, you get these pieces here. So we have to take this piece here. We'll take it here, but this goes here. We'll take it down and take it here and take it up. So these are in front of each other, and we have to apply the algorithm. TU prime R F prime U R prime F and TU. Wasn't that easy? We have to apply the same for all. Oh, for the last one also, like this. These 2 are the last pairs which we have to pair. Apply the same algorithm. So all the edges and our centers are paired. Now what we have to do is solve this cube like a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So let's solve. I have solved this Rubik's cube till the second layer. So I will tell you some special cases. This case is called as parity, in which only this piece is flipped. The plus is made, but only piece is flipped and is facing the other color, but it should be facing the yellow. The algorithm for it is TR2, B2, U2, TL, TR prime, U2, TR, U2, F2, TR, F2, TL, TL prime, B2, TR2. So we have solved our parity, and this was the first special case in the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. I will tell you the second. This is the second one, in which this is facing yellow, but these are incorrect. So you have to apply this algorithm MR2. This is called as MR. You might be knowing, I have told this in the starting only. MR2, U2, MR2, TU2, MR2, MU2. So we have solved it. Now we have to pair these edges again. This algorithm can be applied for any special cases while making the plus. If you are solving an advanced method, this is the second case in the 4x4 Rubik's Cube, in which these three are solved but these two edges are unsolved. So what you have to do is apply this algorithm MR2, U2, MR2 and TU2, MR2 and MU2. What happens? These three are exchanged with each other, and this one is as it is. You have to apply this algorithm to solve the game. The third case is, if you apply the dodge algorithm again and again, you can't get the center pieces, means the corner pieces flipped, means the corner pieces can't be arranged on their correct positions in this case. In this case, you have to apply the same algorithm at this point when these two are incorrect between them. MR2, U2, MR2, TU2, MR2 and MU2. What happens? Your edges your edges are scrambled, but your other thing is there. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe.